Hello my healthy friends, welcome back to Maxine's Corner. So in today's video I have a meal prep for you. It is totally 100% vegan meal prep. Now I am not vegan anymore. I don't believe it's all or nothing. So let's get into this video, but before I get started, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you can get your notifications, share this video with a friend, and we have some wonderful recipes coming up for you guys. So let's get into this meal prep. Let's go.
Here I have my squash, and I also have some sweet potatoes that's all cut up and ready to go. I also have my oil and I have my spices as well. Okay, so once you have your squash on the mat, you just make sure that they're evenly spread out. Then you get your oil and you just coat everything on there. Add your spices. Once you've done that, get in there with your hands and just make sure everything is well coated, all your spices is well coated together. And now let's go ahead and put a little salt and then put it in the oven. Okay, my healthy friends, that's it. It's all finished. Let's move on to our next meal. Okay guys, so we're going to make cream spinach. So I have my frozen spinach, which I like. That's the best one to use it. Put it inside of your strainer and just squeeze out the excess water. Now let's get ready to make it. Add your oil, your onions, I'm using shallots, and then your spices, and now add your spinach. Mix everything together very well. Once everything is cooked and well combined, add your cream. I am using coconut milk and some arrowroot powder to get that thickness. Mix everything together well. Cover and then stir, and this is what it looks like when it's completely finished. Delicious. I have my mushrooms, my better than bouillon. I also have some spices, and I have some water as well. Now add your water to your hot pan and then add your better than bouillon spice. Once you've done that, you go ahead and just mix it in together. And once that's done, add half of your spices to the water and the bouillon and mix that together. Now go ahead and add your mushrooms. I love mushrooms. They are absolutely delicious. And add the rest of your spices and just mix everything together. Once you've done that, cover and let cook. Okay, let's uncover. Looks so good. That is it. It is finished. We're going to turn the stove off and move on to the next recipe. Okay, so we're making our pasta. I have my water that's already boiling. I will add my whole wheat pasta, and this is the one from Trader Joe's that I bought. All right, so once you've done that, it's cooked. Now I will just drain it right there, and we are ready to go. And you can also follow the directions on the package for the cooking instructions for the pasta. So that's it. Let's move on to the next recipe. Okay guys, so the next thing that we're going to be making will be some meatballs, and I'm using a Beyond Meat, but you can use your favorite plant-based meat. I'm adding some chickpea flour to this, as you may see. Once I done that, I get in there and I just make sure everything is well combined, because that's going to be the glue that's going to glue everything together to make these meatballs stay. That's what it looks like after I'm finished. And then now I'm getting the meatballs together. I have a ice cream scooper or a cookie scooper, whichever you want to use. And then you're just going to roll it out. Just use your hands and form little balls, as you may see there. And then this should give us about 6 or 10, and put it in the oven. That's what it looks like. I also made some rice. This is white organic jasmine rice. My kids love this rice. Alright guys, there we have our squash and our sweet potatoes. We have our mushrooms. Everything is put away. We have our rice. We have our cream spinach. We have our pasta. And we have our meatballs. Absolutely delicious, guys. Look at everything. I absolutely love it. That's it. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner. Give the video a big thumbs up and subscribe. Stay healthy.